Now we will move to the sound of T. How the T is pronounced as T. T. Okay. If we see the sound T, in the initial of the word is train. Train. I must my train. If we see the sound of T in a middle of the word is sister. Sister. She's my stepsister. And if we see the sound of T in at the end of the word is point. Point. Let me clear my point. Here is a list. Now repeat after me. Time, travel, test, type, terrible. Medial word, bottle, credit, doctor, hesitate, character. Final sound, persist, resist, that, assist, assistant. So you see how the T is pronounced as a T. T. Now we will move to the sound V. V pronounced V. V. If we see the sound of V in initial of the word is village. Village. I want to visit village. If we see the sound of V in a middle of the word is over. Put it over here. And if we see the V sound at the end of the word is give. Give. Give me a glass of water. So here is a list. Now repeat after me. Initial sound west, wet, wane, van, was. Medial sound driver, divided, adverse, advise, level. Final sound above, brave, cave, have, shave. So you see how the V is pronounced. V is pronounced as wa, wa. We will move to the sound of W. W is pronounced as wa, wa. If we see the sound of the W at the beginning, so it is work, work. You work so hard. If we see in the middle, sound aware. You are aware of this? And if we see the sound of W at the end of the word is sew, sew. He sew my clothes. Here's a list. Now repeat after me. Initial sound, women, wet, whatever, worse, witness. Medial sound, questions, between, everyone, our work, away. So here you see one is also pronounced like a W, one. Okay. So final sound, slow, scenario, shallow, so, slideshow. So now we will see the sound of Y. Y. Y pronounced like a yeah. Yeah. So if we see the sound of Y in initial word is this yet. Yet. I haven't done my work yet. If we see the sound of the Y in a middle word is played. Played. I played cricket. And if we see at the end of the word is clay. Clay. Don't play with clay. Okay. Here is a list. Now repeat after me. Initial sound young. Yes. yogurt, yum, yard. Medial word, backyard, royal, coyote, barnyard, crayon. And final sound, decay, accuracy, Sunday, fly, cry. Now we will move to the sound of Z. Z is pronounced Z. Z. So if we see the Z sound in a initial of the word is like zip, zip, zip up your bag. If we see the sound of Z at the middle of the word is crazy, crazy. It was crazy. If we see the sound of the Z at the end of the word is years. Was 30 years old. So here's a list. Now pronounce after me. Initial sound zipper, zeal, zone, zinger, zebra. Medial sound design, business, housing, rise, organize. Final sound as, is, shows, loves, glows. So you see how the Z is pronounced. Z is pronounced Z. Z. In this list, you notice that the consonant X, Q, C don't have a unique phonemes. This is because these letters are made up these sounds. C. C sound that make the K in crop, crack, creep, and C sound that make the sound of S in center, scent, city. So Q sound are also in the word that contain the letter Q, W as walk away, park away. X also pronounced as a CK as in the backstop, rocks. Next, we have a 19 consonants. We completed the consonants and now you practice the consonants so you get fluent in your speech. In the next lesson, we will deal with a vowel sound. Until you have to practice and take care of yourself. Thank you so much. So, our today lecture is completed. Now, take care of yourself and practice to get more fluent and subscribe my channel to get more video like this.